Welcome to our latest video. Today we are talking about top 5 best drone on Aliexpress under $30. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. All the links of the drone are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the new breakthrough in drone technology, the C10 Max. With cutting-edge features that redefine the way you capture life's moments, this is your ultimate companion for aerial adventures. Imagine capturing your memories in stunning detail with 4K, 6K, and even 8K HD video recording capabilities. Equipped with electric tuning lenses and optical flow technology, it ensures smooth and steady footage every time. Say goodbye to shaky footage with optical flow hovering and obstacle avoidance features, making your flying experience safe and seamless. Stay connected with real-time image transmission via the powerful 5G signal, allowing you to see the world from a whole new perspective. With gesture shooting, capturing group photos and videos has never been easier. Simply wave your hand and let it do the rest. This drone has 4.4 rating and 2,000 plus units sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Experience pinpoint precision landing with optical flow localization, ensuring safe and accurate landings every time you fly. Elevate your aerial photography and videography with the C10 Max, where innovation meets performance. In a world where precision meets innovation, introducing the latest marvel from MIJIA 109 liters 8K 5G quadrilateral drone. Experience the future of aerial photography like never before with its cutting-edge features that redefine excellence. Say hello to the ultimate companion for all your high-flying adventures. Equipped with an unparalleled 8K HD camera and dual cameras, capturing every moment with pristine clarity and detail has never been easier. From sweeping panoramic shots to close-up masterpieces, the possibilities are endless with this drone. Navigate with confidence thanks to its advanced omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system, ensuring smooth and safe flights even in the most challenging environments. Let nothing stand in the way of your creativity. Unleash your creative vision with customizable lighting effects that add an extra dimension to your aerial photography. Seamlessly control every movement with precision and finesse, turning the sky into your canvas. Stay connected no matter where your adventures take you, with real-time image transmission that keeps you in the loop at all times. Experience adrenaline-pumping rolls and flips with unparalleled agility and style. With an extended battery life that keeps you soaring high for longer, it ensures that your creativity knows no bounds. Capture the world from new heights without the worry of frequent recharges. This drone has 4.7 rating and 250 plus units sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Elevate your aerial photography to new heights with the MIJIA 109 liters 8K 5G quadrilateral drone. Unleash your imagination and explore the world from a whole new perspective. MIJIA, redefining excellence one flight at a time. Introducing the M3 drone, your ultimate companion for capturing stunning aerial shots like never before. Say hello to the M3 drone, equipped with advanced features that will take your aerial photography and videography to the next level. Featuring a 4K professional dual camera with the option for 6K and even 8K video recording capabilities, this drone ensures crystal clear footage every time. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, this drone is designed to meet your every need. With its electric condenser technology and high-definition 3-camera setup, this drone guarantees sharp and detailed images that will leave you in awe. Worried about obstacles in your flight path? Fear not. This drone is equipped with 4-way obstacle avoidance technology, ensuring a safe and smooth flying experience every time. And with Wi-Fi high-definition image transmission, you can easily share your adventures with friends and family in real time. Need to stop in an emergency? This drone has got you covered with its one-click emergency stop feature for added peace of mind. Want to add a touch of creativity to your footage? With gesture recognition, you can control the M3 drone effortlessly with simple hand gestures. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, filming action-packed scenes, or simply exploring the world from above, this drone is the perfect companion for all your aerial photography adventures. This drone has 4.1 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Elevate your photography with the M3 drone. Get yours today and start capturing moments from a whole new perspective. M3 drone, redefining aerial photography. Introducing the KY912 Mini UAV drone, the ultimate companion for all your aerial adventures. Let's dive into the incredible features of this cutting-edge quadcopter. With the KY912 Easy Fly Mini UAV drone, you can experience the thrill of flying in style. Equipped with dual cameras, this drone offers a whole new perspective from the skies above. Thanks to its intelligent obstacle avoidance technology, This mini UAV drone can navigate its way through tight spaces with ease, ensuring a safe and smooth flight every time. Take your aerial stunts to the next level with its 360 degrees 3D flips feature, allowing you to perform continuous rolls and impressive maneuvers with just the push of a button. Capture breathtaking moments in crystal clear 4K resolution with its built-in camera. Whether it's photos or videos, you can relive your adventures in vivid detail. Forget about orientation issues with headless mode, which ensures that the drone moves in the direction you want, regardless of its front or back position. It's perfect for beginners and seasoned flyers alike. Plan your flight path with ease using the Trajectory Flight feature. Simply draw a route on the app and watch as the KY912 Mini UAV drone follows it like magic, offering you a whole new level of control. Don't worry about losing your drone with the one-key automatic return function. Just press a button, and this will fly back to its takeoff point, ensuring a worry-free flying experience. Control this mini UAV drone effortlessly with your smartphone through the dedicated app. Experience real-time FPV, first-person view, capabilities, and explore the world from a whole new perspective. This drone has 4.7 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Get ready to elevate your aerial adventures with this mini UAV drone. Order yours today and unleash the sky-high fun. KY912 Mini UAV Drone, where adventure takes flight. Introducing the S1S Mini Drone, your gateway to capturing breathtaking aerial footage like never before. With its professional-grade 8K HD camera, obstacle avoidance technology, and precision brushless motors, the S1S is set to revolutionize your aerial photography experience. The upgraded brushless system provides enhanced stability and control, allowing you to capture smooth and cinematic footage with ease. Equipped with optical flow hovering and 6K electric adjustment dual shooting capabilities, it ensures that every frame is picture perfect. Say goodbye to obstacles and hello to seamless flights with its 360 degrees intelligent obstacle avoidance technology. Fly with confidence and creativity as the drone navigates its surroundings effortlessly. This drone has 4.6 rating and 291 units sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Whether you're a seasoned aerial photographer or a beginner looking to elevate your content, this mini drone is your ultimate companion for capturing stunning visuals from new perspectives. Elevate your aerial photography game with the S1S Mini Drone. Capture the extraordinary, one flight at a time. S1S Mini Drone, redefining aerial photography. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.